folks, we're just going to quickly show you how to level your van using one ramp only. Now there's a few things which we're going to say. Really be a two-person operation when you're using a mover to level your caravan. One person using a handset and probably looking at a spirit level. The other person get ready to put the handbrake on at the forward end. Simple reason is the gradient of a ramp can be more than what the mover can normally hold. So I'm just going to bring the van forward. The van does move to one side a bit, so I'm going to use the button here to bring it round. As I say, I would have someone normally up on the front of the handbrake because the gradient, as I say, is a little bit too strong for the van to be put onto. So, like so. Because then you can put your legs down, and in some cases you will be able to put on your Alco wheel clamp as well. But we're going to make a video for that one separately, so we'll do that one for you.